Hello, my name is Zelia and I'm 8 years old and I'm a huge Lego fan. This is my first video, so I thought we could start off with my favourite creation, the spy helicopter machine gun. It's like a normal helicopter, but it's got no cockpit, and instead of a cockpit it's got a huge machine gun and a big tail on the back. Here's how to build it. These are all the pieces that you need. So, you start off by taking a 2x4, car piece I think, I don't know how to call that. And then you take one 1x2 grey piece. Place the 1x2 grey piece on the front of the car bit, like so. Then you need to take two 1x2 turn around pieces. Oh yeah, it's not bricks. And place them on each side. That should look nice and compact. Nothing really sticking out. Then you have to take a 1x2 axle piece. Place it in like so. And voila. Then you need to get two of the 1x4 axle pieces again. Put one on one side, one on the other. So now it should look like this. Now place three brick axles in, like so. Side. There. Now, this is our machine gun piece. It will shoot little bricks like these ones. Just place it in. Click it. There we go. Then we have to place these 1x2 yellow pieces with a bit sticking out and place them facing up. Now for the tail. You start off with a brick attacher, another brick attacher, little. Now we need to stick a little exhaust panel here. There we go. Hard to click these things. Like that. Now a big brick attacher. so it looks nice and taily. And stick 2 exhaust panels this time. This time I'll do them in grey, but if you ran out of colours, you can just do them all in grey or all in yellow, or if you're doing it with another colour, just use that colour. Doesn't really matter. Now our last one, still a brick attach, a little one this time, and an exhaust panel. Right. Now for the end of the tail, we just have the little hook to steal things. After all, it's a spy plane. It does need to bring evidence. Go! Looking pretty frightening, eh? Now, we need to put another piece on here on the roof. So now we'll use a little 1x1 yellow piece. This will just go on the bottom to make it look cooler, because we're obviously, it's a spy plane and it's making videos. Wait, got it the wrong way around. So got this on the bottom so it can land easily. Putting the camera in. After all, it's a spy plane, so it doesn't need to see. So little green light. Beep, 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 beep. Right. Now it's time to attach the top bit, which is basically a helicopter piece. So you just stick that on. Now use grey and yellow pieces and put them in like a real helicopter has them, just to move out the wind, so they should have a nice smooth aerodynamic shape. Hey, I'm back. Right, so this is part 2. So it's another time, so a few pieces might have switched round and the lighting's different because it's much later in the day now. So here's part 2 of the build. Right, so this is our old helicopter. We've built him halfway. Looks pretty finished now, but just the little finishing touches he does need, and they can be essential. Right, let's put him away. Now, the first part we have to build is the back piece that spins, that you have to twist to make it shoot. So get one of these. If you can, make it nice and stripy, so it's more easy to grip onto. Then take this axle with a, if you can, with a like bit on the end, the knob on the end. Right. Then into place. the axle with a knob on the end, you need to stick right through, like you're stabbing it through the heart. But instead of through the heart, it's through the machine gun. Then you put one of these. Probably most familiar with you as a small wheel, but without the actual tyre, just the wheel. Just stick it in, and like that. Then the last piece is just this. Pretty shifty. You're going to take the green piece and the yellow piece, which will make us a nice, good camera. So, should be able to spin round. Easy to manipulate. Hey! And now putting our 6 bullets in, like that. So this is just the part with the machine gun. And there you have it. Camera, beep beep. Machine gun. Ooh. And propeller. It's got a tail, back bit, protectors, exhaust pads. It's got everything you want. Ooh. Bye bye. Time for battle. Doo, doo, doo. Pretty cool, eh? Hi, I'm back for part 3, you could say, but I'd say it's more of a conclusion, just to say that if you like this video, then give it a big thumbs up to show that you liked it, and don't miss out on our next video, which will be of us making a Walker robot, which basically is a droid that can follow this guy around to protect him. Sorry, just a little mishap. And don't miss out also on Zane's video, which is a handy football tricks video. And he's a good friend at school, because I go at the same school as him. And yeah, go and watch those 2 videos.